I'm Scott Neighbour. I'm the construction manager here at Snowy Hydro.
My name's Terry Mulligan. I'm a site manager with Capital Projects with Snowy Hydro Limited.
I'm Shane Russo, site manager for Capital Projects.
Basically a generator for the national electricity market. We have 4 hydro regions and 2 gas regions. We have a lot of stakeholders across Snowy in various locations. The main thing is, from a site management perspective, is to get that communication quickly out to those stakeholders.
We just had paper documents. A lot of the time we'd be on site where you didn't have access to a computer or a scanner. Sometimes our documents would sit in the ute for a couple of days until we got back to the office, and then we'd scan them up and upload them into the files where they needed to be.
Trying to capture things in the moment. It was always hard, then reflecting back into an electronic version later on. It was double handling. We just needed something where we could store all the information universally.
I reached out to Dashpivot, did a trial on my own. I just ran it side by side with the paper documents, and then went to my construction manager and said, this is something we need.
Shane actually demonstrated this to us, and I think we had a representation from Sitemate to come out, and we went through all this and we went, okay, does this system have everything that we need to comply with what we do with our projects? And we went, yeah, and we started using it.
The team was very on board. We find it's a very easy tool to use.
We instantly started making more forms to use, from daily reports through to safety inspections, enviro inspections.
We also do site diaries every day.
And our contractors are using Sitemate to sign onto those systems as verification that they've been involved in the pre-start. It's the compliance. We do what we say we're going to do, but the assurance is there in terms of the documentation.
So the most useful for us would be photos, because a photo says 1,000 words, and the fact that they're time-stamped and date-stamped. You can't make up where you've been.
All our templates now capture every site recording.
We can upload images, we can upload ITPs, we can upload any documentation that we have at site. It's very visible to anyone who has access to the system.
We can work offline, do our documents, and then at the end of the day, when we do have signal, everything's uploaded.
We capture everything that's happened in the daily report and send that out as a PDF to all those stakeholders, so they're fully aware of the project progress.
It's simplified my life. It allows you to do more things for the day, like you're not tied down with paperwork and filing things and scanning documentation in. It's all done.
Our process now is so much quicker, easier, efficient. It's improved tenfold, even for the older fellas within our team that are stuck in their ways.
I thoroughly recommend Sitemate or Dashpivot to any of our contractors, especially the ones we're using every day.
It's a good tool for every business. There's not any tier of business that wouldn't see the benefits of having it. It stores all the information that you required for good project management.